Brought to you by रजनीगंधा।
यूं ही नहीं ताज ताज बन जाता है, शिल्पकारों का हुनर और चुनिंदा संगमरमर ताज को नायाब बनाते हैं। कुछ ऐसे ही चुनिंदा जगहों से बस खास ही चुनकर लाता हूँ। कतरे कतरे को मैं हीरे सा परखता हूँ। यूं ही नहीं मैं रजनीगंधा बन जाता हूँ।
There's a very good saying in the market, people with money come, lose money, get experience. So there is greedy people, there is smart people. We should not fight smart people. But risk and return will go hand in hand. You take higher risk in, let's say, small and mid cap, micro caps, volatility will be high, but your returns could be good. If you are conservative, you go for large caps, your volatility will be less, you will make less return. The most important thing which an investor should focus upon is asset allocation. There are opportunities in precious metal. There's opportunity in performing credit. There's opportunity in venture capital, startup investing, unlisted segment. So please diversify your portfolio so that you have a better ability to withstand volatility. Mutual fund or investment is not just equity. There is equally other components like performing credit, precious metal, REIT, InvIT, and so on and so forth.
This mutual fund sahi hai is a very popular line that everyone understands, but we are planning our next annual mutual fund issue, and one of the research points that we got was that there is just too much of choice in mutual funds. There are like hundreds and thousands of schemes, and it confuses people. At the industry level, are you thinking about this for the general population, not the very aware investors, to make mutual fund आसान along with सही?
Very fair point. But पहले तो सिद्धार्थ भाई मुझे म्यूचुअल फंड सही है प्रूव करना है लोगों को। ये सबके पास करेंसी नोट घर पे पड़े हैं, जेब में पड़े हैं। The total currency note in India is 38 lakh crore. The total investment made by people after seeing Madhubai's performance of 10 to 1100, and there are many such schemes, is less than that. I'm yet not able to convince the crowd that घर पे पैसों के झाड़ नहीं उगेंगे, आपकी करेंसी नोट हर रोज डिप्रिशिएट होगी, मेरे म्यूचुअल फंड में आ जाइए, थोड़ी पिटाई जरूर होगी, लेकिन इवेंचुअली आपको पैसा बना के देंगे। तो पहले तो मुझे म्यूचुअल फंड सही है प्रूव करना इन लोगों को जो करेंसी नोट पे बैठे, ये उम्मीद में कि पैसों के झाड़ उगेंगे। आसान भी करेंगे। There are total about 1800 schemes. I will say just one scheme for an average investor, multi-asset allocation fund. Today, if you are rich, you will get private banking service. Mutual funds have created a product which gives India's best fund manager to allocate into debt, equity and precious metal. एक ही fund में invest करिए. If I take average of multi-asset allocation funds return, it has outperformed 99% of investors. आप चीजों को मुश्किल मत बनाइए, आसान चीजें आसानी से एक्सेप्ट कर लीजिए।